Was I making too many, nail sounds?
No, I thought it was your jaw clicking.
Are you serious? Welcome to Proof It. The AI video market is exploding. Just open up your phone and you can see the Macho Man painting Bob Ross landscapes or Stephen Hawking doing skateboard tricks. But what about those of us making ads and commercials? Today, I'm giving you the exact toolkit to make an ad or commercial using AI. From script to final edit, we're doing this. Let's go. Step 1, the script. For scripting, ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper are your go-to. Feed them your brief, brand guidelines, and target audience. Boom, draft script in minutes, not hours. Step 2, storyboarding. Midjourney is definitely one of the players here. $500 million in revenue with zero marketing spend. It has 21 million Discord users creating 2 to 2.5 million images daily. Generate your shot concepts, visual style, even specific frames. Nano Banana is also a good contender and a great resource. Now for the neat stuff, actual video production. Synthesia is crushing it. $100 million in revenue and 60% of Fortune 100 companies use it. No cameras, no actors, no studio. Their enterprise clients like Teleperformance report $5,000 saved per video. For cinematic stuff, there's Runway, which was used on Everything Everywhere All at Once and by Netflix for content production. Their Gen 4 model creates consistent characters and environments across scenes. Veo 3 is also very powerful for cinematic scenes and can use those storyboard images to great effect. And of course, there's Sora 2, which, unless you've been living under a rock, is sweeping the AI video generation world off its feet. For voiceover, you're probably going to go with 11 Labs. They support 140 plus languages with emotional range that's scary good. And they count companies like Washington Post, HarperCollins, and Paradox Interactive as customers. Need background music? Suno creates original tracks from text prompts. Describe the vibe, get a custom soundtrack, no licensing headaches or fees. So we've talked about a few of the big products you'll use to make your ad or commercial. Now let's chat efficiency. Traditional video production can run $1,200 to $1,500 per minute for basic corporate videos. Complex stuff, over $15 grand per minute. With AI, you'll have monthly subscriptions from $29 to $120. Per video costs drop to tens of dollars per minute depending on volume. But remember, all of this AI content needs more review, not less. Every AI-generated frame, every synthetic voice, every automated edit, it all needs proofing. Here's your commercial toolkit recap. Total cost for all of these tools, under $500 a month. Traditional production equivalent, tens of thousands of dollars. Your Proof It tip, start small. Make a 30-second product demo using something like Synthesia. Generate 5 variations with different messaging. Then, and this is crucial, run them all through proper review. Check brand compliance, legal requirements, cultural sensitivity, everything. AI makes creation fast, but only proper proofing makes it right. We're witnessing history. 93% of marketers say video gives them good ROI, the highest ever recorded. 99% say it increases product understanding. AI just made this accessible to everyone. But with 34 million AI images created daily, quality control is everything. That's why you need proper proofing. Thanks for watching Proof It. Ready to elevate your video production? Start your Ziflow trial at ziflow.com/signup. Until next time, let your content flow.